Now we're recording.
Says, to Aaliyah from Santa.
Santa.
Santa bring you something? You gotta get in the box. What's in here? What's in there? Right there. Open. Rip. Rip it. Rip it. Get it. Good job, Aaliyah. Get it. What's that? Something in there.
What's in there? Hey, cutie. You've seen this.
Ribbon. Want to finish opening? Let's put that off to the side. You can play with that later. Finish opening. There you go. There you go. Good job. Good job, Aaliyah. Oh.
Good job.
Get it, rip it.
Now you're gonna think you're gonna rip open anything, huh?
Oh, don't eat it. Nice piece. You gotta get another piece. Oops, I still got some. Oh, rip, rip, rip. That's it. It's almost
What
open.
you think, Aaliyah?
What's on this side? Look, grab right here and pull. Right there. There you go. Pull. Ta-da! Not even paying attention.
Nope.
Not
Not even
yet.
8 months old yet. I don't care.
Look what you got.
What you got? Your own little glasses? Wanna put them on?
Your little shades. Oh yeah.
What's up, Aaliyah? Oh, look at you, cutie.
He's stylish. Mama likes these. Yeah.
What's up, bug eyes? Lily. Hey, cutie.
Now we can go on walks and we won't get blinded by the sun.
Hey, cutie.
Yeah.